Mabuhay! Welcome to my channel. You're here with Kikaycathy, and today what I'm gonna do is a makeup tutorial. Yay! I'm always excited to do this stuff because this is what I love to do, and I love to come up with a makeup look. I use the Violet Voss Essentials, the one I got from Boxycharm. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes, and everything else is like a shimmer with metallic. Alright, without further ado, let's start.
Alright, so the first one I'm gonna use is the terracotta. This is like the orange one. This is gonna be my transition shade, and it's gonna be all over the lid and most likely on the top side of my eyelids. I'm kind of blending it at the same time while I'm trying to put it all over the lid so it won't have a harsh line. Next up that I'm gonna be using is the cinnamon, and this is gonna be a little below the terracotta, which is the orange shade. This one is the dark brown. I started with pressing the cinnamon on my eyelid, and then now I'm blending it out. Next shade that I use is the emerald. This is the green one. It's like a glittery metallic green eyeshadow. I am pressing it for it to stay a little more on my eyelid. Later on, you should be able to see that I'm gonna be using my finger to foil out the color, just like the other side. Now I am using my finger, but you can also do wet your brush with the setting spray, and then it will foil out the color too. For this part, I am trying to copy the other side where you can really see that it's kind of darker on the outer edge. So I'm just gonna put back the colors. I'm gonna be using the same brush and then blending it out. As you can see, I actually did the cinnamon part first just because it's the darker one, so it'll be a lot easier to put the outer shade, which is the terracotta, because it's a light color and it'll be easy to blend it out with the cinnamon. So moving on, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics pencil brush to put the gold. It is the golden yellowish eyeshadow on the palette, and I'm gonna be using it in the inner corners of my eyes. On this part, I'm gonna try and copy and put the colors back on my lower eyelid, starting with the very last one that I used, which is the emerald, going to cinnamon, and then terracotta. So this is pretty much almost done, so I'm just gonna put a black eyeliner. When I'm done doing my wing, I then proceed to put the fake eyelashes on.
I'm gonna curl my eyelashes real quick, put mascara on, and put fake lashes afterwards. Alright, so this is the final look. There you have it. I hope you like it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that bell button so the next time I upload you get notified. Anyways, have a good day, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Babush!